Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the Android 14 car radio for Ford Focus 2.3 Mk2 Mk3 2004-2005 to 2011 multimedia player. The Ruancheng Android 14 car radio multimedia player is designed for Ford Focus Mk2 and Mk3 models, 2004 to 2011, offering a modernized in-car entertainment and connectivity experience. The unit features a durable aluminum alloy and ABS housing with a 9-inch 1280 by 720 IPS capacitive touchscreen. Installation is simplified due to CAN bus support and retention of original steering wheel controls, aiming for a plug-and-play experience. Performance is driven by an 8-core processor, or 4-core, with RAM/ROM options ranging from 2GB RAM 32GB ROM to 8GB RAM 128GB ROM. Operating on Android 13. It supports various digital media formats from TF/microSD cards or USB drives, with audio output of 4x45W. Connectivity includes Bluetooth 5.0 for hands-free calls, Wi-Fi, USB RCA interfaces, MirrorLink, and Android Auto/Apple CarPlay support on specific variants. The system integrates with vehicle functions, supporting steering wheel controls, CAN bus communication, and built-in GPS with offline/online maps. It also facilitates external dash cameras and ADAS systems. The player supports a wide range of OSD languages. Available in variants like V1 and V1 Pro, it caters to different budget and performance requirements. A safety notice is included regarding small parts posing a choking hazard to young children. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description for updated price.